Hey everybody. So it is this painting again. This is the one, there was a original painting. Then last week I did a swipe with black paint and then didn't like it, wiped it off, came up with this. Not crazy about this either. Parts of it I really liked, but as a whole, no. And I keep looking at, I'm going to walk and talk, keep looking at this one and how much I adore this one. And so I want to try and do this one again. But I've got a little bit different colors. I've got Old Gold, Soho Cadmium Red Medium, Artist Loft Copper, and some kind of blue. So this was done with a straw. I put the colors in a puddle pour, then blew it out with a straw, then put white in the middle, and then blew it out again. There we go. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I think it's the colors. It's baby nursery colors. I don't want those. And I have trouble picking out colors. I need to look at like paint, like Dutch Boy online and get some color combo ideas. I need some fresh ideas. I think I'm in a color rut because the color I always want to use is like magenta, yellow, orange. I always want to use those colors, even though they don't always go well together. But those are the colors I seem to always want to use. The colors that always work, and yes, I'm going to use the word always, are blues, shades of blues together, shades of blues and yellows. Those always work. Whereas reds are hit or miss. Oops. So there is still, since I have not washed this from the original pour, well, I guess the second pour, I can't remember what the very first pour was. Is still technically silicone. Not technically, there is silicone on the canvas. It is dry and it is under, for the most part, a layer of paint, but it can still, seems to reactivate. Let's start with gold. And then Soho Cadmium Red. That's such a pretty red. A little bit of copper. That's a pretty blue. I have absolutely no idea what blue that is. Right. Oh, I'll move my chair. Here we go. I just blew that onto my foot. Well, no, I don't like. It doesn't look like the other one. I know I tilted that one a little. But no, this is not what it's supposed to look like. I think there's not enough weight underneath. As you could tell before I poured, I had almost bare spots. So I think that is the cause of a lot of this. Kind of veered off course with this one, but I like the colors that were starting to appear. This is not turning out like that one, but I am digging what this one is turning out to be. That's the biggest thing I learned with using this. Turn it on before you're faced with the canvas. What I like about this is because I like this kind of muted look, and then the colors are bright here. So much better than the baby room painting. It's got cool sides. Get some extra paint on that side. Oops. And note to self, quick touching, pretty canvases with dirty painted gloves. Here, you can look at this one as we walk. We're walking, we're walking, we're walking. Look at my nice manicure. Oh, so blurry. Check it out. Way cool. Love, I've got to remember that color combo. Look at that. I believe that's copper under there. It's hard to tell. And then the threads of gold. I think that's an eyeball. Right there. All right, so inspiration. Final. There are similarities, so I did accomplish that, but I adore this piece. I adore the colors. Thank you for watching. I will catch you next time, and that's all for today. Bye.